application, smart room light. And I have a big problem. I have to go to the room in the dark and switch on the lights. So I make this room light. When I will go inside the room, will automatically glow, and it will give some time to switch on my room lights. Let's see how it works. Wow, it is glowing! So, make this robot we got 5 components and Arduino pattern, a power module, a sensor base, a radar sensor, and the light module. In a robot, there are 5 components. 5 components are a battery. Here it is present in 9-volt battery. A switch where it is present in the power module. A microscope which is present in all of the components. Plus a actuator here, which is the light module. A sensor. Here it is a radar sensor. In this there are 5 pins. In the radar sensor, there are 5 pins. The 5 pins are a 3 battery, a VIN, a GND, a output, and a CDS. In the VIN, we have to connect the positive wire. In this GND, here we have to connect the negative and ground wire here. This is the output. And this is a CDS. If we want to work this radar sensor in only night, we have to connect CDS and GND to the CDS pin. In this CDS pin, we have to connect LDR. There are 5 main components of radar sensor. The 5 main components are input-output header, and I have told earlier 5 pins. The 5 pins is present in this input-output header. Second is RF amplifier and antenna. In this RF amplifier and antenna, there is present transmitter and receiver. Third is digital out. For this output, we have a digital output also. The full form of this radar sensor is radio detection and ranging. It detects only microwaves. Here we use radar sensor of this model. For this model radar sensors only detect microwaves, not radio waves. It works in Doppler effect. Doppler effect was discovered in 1842 by Mr. Doppler. When something is moving, changing frequency is observed by this sensor. This is the back side of this radar sensor. So these 5 ports we have discussed already. I will discuss about these 3 ports only. The 3 ports name are CTM, RGN, RCDS. In the CTM port, we have to add a capacitor. And if we want to increase the time duration of glowing, for our requirement, we can change the value of capacitor. In this RGN port, we have to add a resistor if we want to make shorter the range of this radar sensor. In this RCDS port, we have to also connect a resistor if we want to shorter the radar sensors. Catching range in night only. Distance equal to speed into time. By this formula, we can calculate any distance between radar sensor and an object. The glowing time of the actuator is only 2 seconds. Friends, if any object moves many times, the time will be added. Is it a good information? Thank you. Bye.